It's not about implants, let's say like this. In this case, I wanted to show something that we started doing with, let's say, the new era of CADCAM, the intraoral scanners and the milling machines. In here you can see 3 teeth, problematic teeth. The teeth went root canal treatment, and right now on these teeth you need to have crowns. So it's a problematic case because you don't have enough tooth thickness for a regular crown. The only thing that you can do is you need to have a post and core inside the tooth, and then you can place a crown on that post and core. In many cases, when the tooth undergoes root canal treatment, you fill the inside part of the tooth with the post and core, so you can later on attach a crown onto the tooth. But in the preparation of post and core and attachment of the crown, you remove a lot of tooth material. So in this case, you can see when you have such big temporary fillings, you won't left with enough tooth to prepare crowns, to make crowns on these teeth. So in the regular way, you have a large chance that the tooth will break down, or you won't have enough tooth surface to make a crown onto the tooth, and you need to extract the tooth. So what we're doing is we're making the post and core and the crown all together, and you have monolithic zirconia crowns with a post as one part. So you can place a 3-unit bridge on those 3 teeth with the post, the crowns, everything.
So making it all in one
making
bundle.
it all together. Yeah, exactly. And in this way, you can have a minimal preparations of those teeth. And when you have minimal preparation, you have stronger teeth. So you have less chance for breakage of those teeth. This case, you can't do this with every case because you need to have parallel teeth for this. But in this case, we have parallel teeth. We have parallel root canal treatments. So it is possible to make that. And what I want to show is right now is how we're doing this. So what we did is, first of all, we removed all the temporary tooth fillings. We opened up a little bit the inside part of the tooth, and we prepared the teeth. Right now, what we're going to do is we're going to scan the teeth from the outside and the inside part, and our crown's going to fit on the outside and on the inside part of the tooth all together. So what we're going to have is we're going to have a zirconia teeth that are cemented on those roots with the post inside the crown, and those zirconia crowns are going to be glazed to the color of the original teeth.
So the idea here is that you're not making first the base of the root canal treatment and then the crown. You're making the crown and the base together and just put it like a bridge.
Exactly. In the process, when you're making this all together, you can make it much smaller because you don't need a place for cementation of different types of different parts. And when you have everything much smaller, you can leave more of the tooth and save those teeth and not extract them. For example,
it will hold better.
Yeah, it will hold better. You have less chances for breakage of the teeth in the future for vertical root fractions or something like this. You can see that what we did is we tried the crowns on the teeth. We took color from the patient's teeth and we glazed the crowns ourselves in the clinic. We talked about it, I think once, that to save time, we're glazing the teeth ourselves. So
and not sending it somewhere so the patient it's will come, check the color, it's not right, go back, come back.
So this way you can get very good color correction and very fast. In like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you can have the same color and you don't need to do anything, send it anywhere.
Saves time.
Saves time. And you can see that you don't see any difference and you know that those 3 teeth are crowns.
Thank you very much for being with us here.
You're welcome.
And thank you for being with us. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow to stay tuned up to date. Have a great week.